Hi, my name is 𝒉𝒂𝒄𝒉𝒊𝒏𝒈. I'm a level 3 teaching assistant apprentice and I work at Chester Community Sports College. I chose an apprenticeship because I find it really hard to work in a classroom setting, so I decided that I wanted to do all my learning hands-on. Right now I'm really enjoying it. I've loved my apprenticeship all the way through. I've loved working with new people, working with different types of children. I found my apprenticeship through the college. They sent out an email with a list of different places looking for apprentices. I applied through the college and then I came in for an interview and I got the job straight away. So usually I come in at 8:20 in the morning or a little bit earlier. I will do interventions with students and then I'll support different students who have got SEN needs throughout the day. During my apprenticeship I've developed skills such as independence, resilience, perseverance and patience. This is all because I have to work with different students at different levels, so they've all got different needs and that requires me to have to learn and adapt to their needs. So we do a week where we go on trips for Creative Learning Week. That has been my best memory so far. I've been able to go on loads of different trips in different cities with one student and we've created a really good bond. I got to see them in a different light, which was amazing, and we just had many laughs. My long-term goals in teaching after my apprenticeship is being a primary school teacher. I would love to teach with year 3 or year 4 students. I'm going to be going to university in the new academic year as well. I've always found it fascinating just learning how children work and their minds and the way that they grow and become creative. I've always had struggles growing up and I've always had teachers that have helped me, so it's really inspired me to want to be that kind of person for other students. You get so much experience from it. It's a completely different route. You're not sitting in a classroom for multiple hours a day, you're actually getting hands-on experience.